Tesla stock is crashing. Here's why. Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about Tesla again, and I want to give you guys kind of a more broader view of exactly what's going on in the crash. So in my most recent Tesla video, I explained the 3 recent events that have caused a recent sell-off in the price, and one of the reasons why the Tesla stock price took a big red dip, okay, below 700. But for some people, you guys don't understand exactly why Tesla is crashing in the first place. Maybe you bought Tesla when it was over $1,000 back in April. Now you're holding on to your bag and you're down a ton, okay? So as I mentioned in the previous video, Tesla's down 44% year to date. So a lot of you guys, if you guys bought at the top and you thought Tesla was a great investment and you're kind of wondering what's going on, you know, Tesla's been relatively flat over the last 52 weeks. It's only up 13%. So in this video, we're going to keep this video short. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what took place, what key events took place, and why Tesla's stock price is really crashing right now over the last several months. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the red subscribe button, smash the thumbs up button as well. It really helps. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So back in November 7th, okay, Elon Musk created a Twitter poll asking if it was okay for him to sell 10% of his Tesla stock. Okay, so here's the link to the Wall Street Journal. So he said, much of this lately is unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance or pro selling 10% of my Tesla stock. Do you support this? So this was back around November 7th. So if we go back here on the 1-year chart, we can see that Elon initially started his Twitter poll right at the very peak of Tesla's price. Okay, right around, it was around $1,200 per share. So obviously, you know, the price was extremely high. The PE ratio was extremely high. Tesla was trading at a ridiculous valuation, more than $1 trillion valuation. Wanted to cash out some of his chips. If we take a look at here at the RSI, we can see the RSI was trading at a ridiculous over 90, guys. Okay, so basically Tesla was overbought. Elon's a brilliant businessman. He said, hey, I want to cash out some of my Tesla stock, right? Okay, makes sense. So that was November 7th, okay? Elon ended up selling, okay, some of his, obviously Elon sold a bunch of his Tesla stock, and see that's confirmed on BBC around November 11th. So if we head back here, we can see right around November 11th, Tesla already took a big red dip. I assume that a lot of this is Elon dumping his shares. Okay, 42 million, the volume that day was around 59 million shares. That's pretty high volume for Tesla. As you can see here, if you guys can see this on the chart, usually Tesla peaks out at a volume of around like 59, 60 million shares. Usually volume's not that high. So that's what was the first signal of the correction, okay? Elon Musk sold 10% of his Twitter stock. Now, we're going to talk about how the Twitter deal affects everything. So as we can see here, we go here to the Twitter deal where Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter. So now this is an article by The Verge. It says Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter in takeover attempt, okay? So Elon Musk tried to buy Twitter in early April, okay? This article is listed on like April 14th. So obviously, if Elon Musk was going to buy Twitter, how is he going to pay for this deal? Okay, well, he was obviously going to be selling Tesla stock. Okay, now the deal is very complicated. We're not going to go too much into the Twitter deal because we're talking about Tesla here. But as you can see here, this was announced right around this area here when Tesla stock was trading at $1,000. So Elon ended up dumping some of his stock. The stock shot down. A lot of stocks had sold off here. Okay, this was kind of a market correction, and then we had a bounce in the market, right? If you could take a look at that through all stocks on the NASDAQ. But something particular happened to Tesla, okay? Right here, this is where the Twitter deal and obviously all of the allegations and things like this is what's kind of caused the crash. Because if you take a look at this, before Elon Musk was interested in buying Twitter, Tesla stock was trading at like just around $1,000. And since then, it's lost around 40% of its value. So if we take a look here at the whole issue with Elon Musk buying Twitter, it's basically very complicated. Okay, he has to go through many different legal steps and has to be approved by the board. And right now, Twitter stock has crashed. Okay, so Twitter stock is now trading much lower Then Elon Musk offered to pay $54 for it, so Twitter stock is like around 36 bucks. So now even Elon Musk has kind of put the deal on hold. Okay, he sold around $8.5 billion worth of his Tesla stock, but he's trying to obviously put the deal on hold because the price of Twitter has crashed, and now he's overpaying for the company. All right, the price of Twitter stock's like 36 bucks, and he's offered to pay $54. So this has put a lot of downward pressure on Tesla stock. Obviously, people are kind of wondering, hey, you know, if Elon is going to be worried about Twitter, how's he going to focus on Tesla, etc., etc. And due to a lot of this, basically Tesla is trading around the same level it was literally a year ago. So we'll kind of explain the bit of the timeline in the crash, right? Started with Elon Musk liquidating his shares, then Elon's offered bid to buy Twitter. So now here we are. So where are we going from moving forward? Okay, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think the Twitter deal is going to go through at $54.20 per share. Okay, it doesn't make sense for Elon to buy Twitter at $54 if it's trading for around $36 on the market. If Elon Musk, I'm going to show you guys exactly what happens if Elon Musk, okay, walks away from this deal. So as you can see here, there's a flow chart on Wall Street Journal. Basically, he can pay $1 billion to break a breakup fee and walk away from the deal. So what do you guys think? If he offered to pay $54 a share for Twitter, and now Twitter's trading at like $36 a share, it'll be actually cheaper for him to walk away from the deal and just pay the $1 billion. Because, you know, if we take a look at Twitter's market cap, okay, Elon Musk offered to buy Twitter at a total market cap of $44 billion. Okay, and now Twitter is trading at around $38 a share with a market cap of $29 billion. So the current market cap is $14 billion cheaper than Elon Musk's bid. So it will obviously make sense for Elon to either try to renegotiate a lower price or just walk away from the deal completely, spend $1 billion. Elon's one of the richest guys, probably the richest guy in the world. Obviously, if Tesla stock keeps crashing, that may change, but $1 billion to Elon Musk is not a ton of money if he knows he's going to pay over $14 billion. So Tesla has been crushed by this whole Twitter deal. The overall market is down a lot. But generally, kind of Elon started a lot of this madness with his Twitter poll and now with trying to buy Twitter. But the good news is, it's okay, guys. There's a high chance, I think, that Elon simply walks away from this deal. Okay, Twitter stock is down. The markets are down. He could just pay $1 billion, walk away from this deal. And I think this will cause a lot of the Tesla bulls to come in. So this is one of the reasons why I'm buying Tesla stock right now. My goal right now is to get as many shares as possible because I believe this is kind of an uncertain moment. We'll basically be able to buy basically the greatest tech company, you know, of this decade, right? So we know Tesla's bull run started in 2020, okay? So Tesla's bull run, you can see here, started literally in 2020, guys. So I'm going to tell you guys this on this channel time and time again. Tesla is the best investment of this decade, okay? I like other companies, of course. You know how much I like Lucid. You know how much I like Joby. Well, we literally cannot ignore this chart. Literally, once the new decade started in 2020, Tesla stock went through the moon. So Tesla is going to crush it. Okay, last decade in 2010 to 2019, it was Netflix. The decade before that, you could take a look at, or you could say Amazon. The decade before that, you could say Apple, Microsoft. So I believe Tesla already made its mark this decade. If you guys haven't gotten into Tesla yet, okay, Tesla was trading at around $85 when this decade started. Now it's trading at $600, okay? So it was up more than 10x. Guys, it's not too late to get into Tesla stock, okay? It would have been better to obviously get in when the decade, and I was telling you guys to get into the stock, but I'm getting into the stock now. I'm telling you, this Tesla is not, you know, the core business behind Tesla hasn't suffered. A lot of this is just shenanigans for Elon Musk, but let's not detract away from the core business of Tesla. They continue to increase revenues, continue to increase deliveries, continue to increase in net income, and continue to increase value to shareholders. So that's why we're buying the stock. We're not buying the stock based on what Elon's tweeting or what he wants to do in his personal life with Twitter. We're talking about Tesla growing its business further, and this is a great buying opportunity. So I'm going to be buying Tesla stock for my IRA. This is one of the companies I don't plan to sell. I like to split up my portfolio a bit, so I have my other growth stock sitting in my individual brokerage. But for my SEP IRA, that's an account that I don't plan to touch for the next 20-25 years. I will be loading it with Tesla shares this week. These prices are just simply too cheap. If we take a look at the long-term RSI, we can see the last time Tesla was trading near this RSI, okay, that was back in 2019. We're right now sitting at a long-term RSI of 35. It's just completely oversold. I think this is a great buying opportunity. If Elon Musk walks away from the Twitter deal, we should see a massive rip. So I'm going to be taking advantage of these prices. So let me know what you guys think. Try and close this video out. If you guys enjoy my channel, please smash the red subscribe button for more information. That's all I got till now, guys. Until next time, take care.